Hello everybody, this is Anna from Stareworthy, and today I'm going to show you a very quick tutorial on how to build your Stareworthy book from our website. Let's get started. Alright, after you've selected the story you'd like to personalize from our shop page, you'll come to the product page. Here you'll find a brief description of your story, and you can also click these images to preview what your book will look like. Once you're ready to start personalizing, you choose your size. We've got small, medium, and large, and the dimensions displayed here at the bottom of the product description. For today's example, I'm going to do the size small, and now I'm ready to start personalizing. So as the book loads, I just want to point out that in order to make this a quick tutorial, I went ahead and read through the book and selected the photos that I wanted and put them in a folder, so they are ready to go for me. And I would definitely recommend previewing the book ahead of time so you not only can read the story, but you can see our photo upload prompts. So we have built in these upload prompts for you that will help you select the specific kind of photo that should be featured on these pages. Now, the photo that we tell you to put in will always correspond with the text of the story. So your photos will always fit in with the story that you read to your children. All right, so now I'm going to start by adding my dedication message. You click here, it'll open the dedication tab and you enter the date. And you write your dedication message. Click save, and here you'll see that it is displaying on the page. This is exactly how it'll print on the first page of your book. All right, so now I'm ready to start uploading my photos. Again, I went ahead and did all of this ahead of time, so this will go by quickly for the video. I'm just going to select all of those and upload them here. They will process. All right, and now they are done. So to put my first photo in, I'm going to hover over the photo here in the gallery and simply click on it. Now it'll populate onto the page of my book. You'll also notice that down here in the gallery, it is highlighted orange, and there's a number here in the corner. The orange highlight means that the photo is in use in your book, and the number corresponds to the spread number here. So you know that this photo is in use on spread number 5. You'll be able to keep track of the photos in your gallery that way. So for this photo, I'm going to choose this one. And you may notice that even though there's one photo box here, I put 4 pictures in one. I did this by using Canva. That's one of my favorite apps to use. You can also use Layout. You can use Photoshop. You can use Lightroom. There are lots of different applications that you can use to make a little photo gallery, and you can insert as many photos as you want, and they're great tools to have. So let's go to the next page. I'm going to kind of speed through this part because it's more of the same. All right, now this photo, I would like to crop this photo and change the position a little bit. So I'm going to show you how to do that. You just hover over the picture and you'll see these little icons pop up. This is to delete the photo if you don't want it there, and this is to edit it. So you click the pencil and now you can edit your picture. So I'm going to just crop this in and kind of center them so that you can, so we can really highlight their belly comparison there. Click export, and now we see it on the page. I'll continue. Here's another grid picture in this one. And now the final photo. Oh, this road led to you. Okay, so now I'm just going to go back to the beginning and kind of proofread my dedication message. That looks good. I will just preview the rest and make sure that I've got all the right pictures in there. They're cropped how I want them to be. They're looking good. Okay, I'm happy with it. So we're going to click this Save button on the top right. All right, good to go. Now we're going to add it to our cart. It is the correct size. I'm ready to check out. Now we do have, I want to point this out, if you are shopping for a gift occasion, we do have some gift options here. We will include this bag and our signature teal tissue paper. You can choose the size that you want, and then we also have these greeting cards. So even more ways to personalize your gift. I'm going to skip that today and just check out with my book, but now I'm ready to check out. So from here, you will be taken to the checkout page. You will enter your information, your name and your address, your shipping method, your billing information, and check out just like any other e-commerce platform. After you're done, you'll receive an order confirmation email, and you'll also be notified when your book has been shipped. It's that easy. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy your Stareworthy book building experience.